Hey guys, it's the start of the week for week 6 of this year, right? Like I say, I'm starting an analysis in focus where every week I share with you what is going to move in a big way this year, right? Okay, I'm very excited for this video because I want to share some insights on what are the stocks or industry that you can look at, right? Without further ado, first thing first, financial disclaimer, everything I share in this video is all for educational purposes, right? You need to do your own due diligence. Right? I may be right a lot of time if you have been following me, but not all the time I'm right. Okay, I'm not 100% of the time I'm right, even though most of the time I'm right. Okay, so you need to do your own due diligence, right? And do follow me on social media, right? If you like the content, please do subscribe and like the video. By you liking the video, it gives me an indication that you really like the content, and I will try my best. And because you like the content, right, it encourages me to do more videos like this for your benefit, right? So hopefully this video benefit you and give you more insights, and also help you to make more profits just because of this video, right? Okay, and also follow me on social media on Facebook and Telegram as well, right? So the analysis in focus for this week is banking, right? Why banking? Is because overall market is bullish, right? If you watch my week 5, I have analyzed it, but if not, then let me just quickly show you why. Okay, when we are looking at more long term, all the way from now until the end of the year, we are always looking on the monthly chart or the weekly chart, right? So this is Dow Jones, right? It has corrected a lot and rebounded, right? Seems and in fact it hit a new high recently, right? Okay, based on it was higher than the August high, right? Okay, so it could be sustainable, right? Even though that even if it is bullish, it doesn't go up in a straight line, right? Okay, so take note of that. If you other indices like S&P is roughly the same, right? Okay, it has also broken the December high, right, over here. And if you look at Nasdaq, I do see like Nasdaq is also doing well, especially this year, right? Last year Nasdaq was doing the worst, if I'm not wrong, right? This year Nasdaq could be playing catch up, which means it could be doing performing much better than the other two indices, right? Because of last year it performed the worst, right? Okay, it will always go back to normalcy, normal conditions, whereby if last year it was lagging, this year it could be playing catch up, right? So overall is bullish. Why? Partly because it's oversold, consolidation has already happened, and is already on the way up, right? Unless some major things happen, it should continue its momentum up, right? Okay, so overall long term wise is more bullish, even though if you look in my other video that you can search for it in this channel, right? I did a weekly wrap up, right, and market update on the weekly update for week 6, right? So that week 6 I would say there will be some selling pressure, but that is only for the short term, only for week 6. But when we look at the long term, all the way until the end of the year, this does looks more bullish, right? Okay, long term wise. Okay, okay. I what did I do? Okay, so let me just delete this, right? So with that said, right, overall market is bullish. Interest rate may help, right? A lot of if you google will interest rate increase help banks profitability, right? You can see here, interest rates and bank profitability are connected, with banks benefiting from high interest rates, right? This is from Investopedia. You can go and read about it, right? And there's rising interest rates bring opportunity and risk for banks. Higher interest rates can improve net interest margins, right? Okay, and also have some risk which the banks must properly manage, all right? Okay, what are the risks? Loan default risks, right? Okay, because of higher interest rates, there may be loan that is being default. So if banks can actually manage it properly, higher interest rates actually help them, right? Okay, and I do think that banks will be more prudent this time round, and they will less default on their loans, right? Which will improve their profitability, right? Okay, so yeah. So typically you can see over here, banks probability and interest are linked. Banks typically benefit from highest interest rate. Okay, you can read all about it. I do agree, like if you go and Google banking industry, some experts or even analysts or even expert reports do say that the banking industry may not do well, right? Okay, I beg to differ, right? I don't always base my decision based on reports, analyses, or information out there. I derive my own conclusion, right? Okay, my conclusion or my so-called forecast or analysis is that interest rate going up will help bank, right? Okay, may help, right? So I tend to side on this side whereby interest rate will help banks, right? um, that's my view. I could be wrong, I could be right, okay, but a lot of times I'm right, okay. uh, why is a lot of other factors as well lah, right? It has been sold down since last year, and technical charts on most banking stocks that I see, right? Okay, which I emphasize most of my decision on technical charts is that it is bullish, right? And I'm going to show you the technical charts just to show you why I say this, right? Okay, let me just quickly plug out the charts again, right? Okay, so if you were to look at hold on, you were to oops, hold on. Okay, let me just plug out the okay, yeah, okay. So if you were to look at BAC, right, Bank of America, okay, it is going on the monthly chart is good, doing very well in the pattern is very well in the sense that it goes up, correct, goes up, correct, goes up, correct, right? Okay, there is momentum and consolidation here to show us that it is going to go much higher, right? Okay, over here it has shown as well, slightly mid-term wise, right? Okay, you can see that it has broken new high, right? Okay, broken new high, and likely I would say for BAC it should break above the recent high of 38 60, right? Around there lah, this one. Okay, so break above that, maybe after that then you correct a little bit and continue so far, continue is gradual upward move, right? Okay, so but not only BAC, if you look at this pattern, right? Okay, try to like capture this pattern, right? Okay, let me show you the others. It's roughly the same, right? Okay, so if I were to show you Citigroup, okay, it has corrected a lot, right? Citigroup is slightly different in the sense that if you were to like do a horizontal line, right? Okay, horizontal line somewhere here, right? Okay, somewhere here. You notice that always roughly below 45 $40, right? Okay, for between 45 to $40 lah, I would say. It actually does looks like whenever it goes slightly below this range, right, it will rebound, right? And it has been happening since like 2015, right? And recent price movement over here for the past few months shows that the consolidation is there. It's more visible in the weekly chart that you see here, right? Okay, so I would say like maybe it will break a new high of above 54.4, right? Not only that, if you look at WFC, right? Okay, it has gone up a lot, right? But corrected, right? Gone up a lot since the COVID, but went up a lot since COVID, but also corrected due to last year, right? But after that, consolidation is there. There seems to be momentum for it to go much higher from here on, right? More visible here. You can see that the pattern on the weekly chart, right, is showing similar to what I show you on BAC, right? Okay, if I do to go to BK, over here is also consolidation there, and is surging up very nicely up, right? Okay, I do see that it will still go higher, right? Okay, and if you look at JPM, which is also another big bank, is also rebounding very nicely, right? Okay, so on the money chart, it does shows that the correction is over, right? It should continue to move up. Okay, I'm pretty bullish on this banking industry based on the technical charts, and with the reasons that you see over here. I do see that it will do well, right? So hopefully this analysis in focus this week is going to benefit you and also help you a lot. Weeks or months from now, we will know, right? Okay. I do have my money in some of this, right? Okay. So we will see, right? Okay, we will see. So hopefully this video does benefit you in the future and help you to make some profits. And like I say, if you like contents like this, please do subscribe and like this video, right? It lets me know. You subscribe, you will know whenever I upload videos like this, so you will be first to be able to take action on some of the things that I share here, right? To give you some ideas on how to invest or trade the markets as well, right? And also like the video so that I know that you like contents like this, so that it encourages me to do more videos like this and share with you, right? Hopefully you benefit more from my future videos as I do more of it, and also help you to make more profits as well, right? Okay, and also go and like my Facebook page where I post some updates along the way, and also on Telegram as well. So thank you for watching. Appreciate it so much. Have a good week ahead, and more profits be with you, right? See you soon.